Your programmable room thermostat allows you to set different time periods and temperatures on different days for each corresponding room. Your thermostat works by sensing the temperature and switching the heating on when the actual temperature falls below the target temperature. Once the set temperature has been reached, the thermostat will turn off. To operate any unit, just put your hand nearby and it will light up. If it does not light up, check the unit is powered on by pressing the tick key. If your thermostat is in frost mode, where the heating will normally be off, the house and frost symbol will be showing. Scroll to the power icon and press the tick key to turn your thermostat on or off. It is important that you understand that when the house symbol is showing, your thermostat is not turned on. To turn the thermostat off completely, scroll to the power icon and hold the tick key for approximately 4 seconds until the display goes blank. To turn it back on, press the tick key. Your thermostat should be set up with the correct date and time, but if you need to change these, move the cursor to the power setting and hold the tick. Move across to clock, then set the year, month and day. Then press the time in hours and minutes. When you have finished, press the tick. Use the down button to scroll to the power setting and press the tick to turn the display on. The thermostat can be set up with 3 different programming modes. Weekday, weekend, or 5-2, which allows you to program 4 different times and temperatures for the weekday and 4 for the weekend. 7-day program, where you can program 4 times and temperatures independently each day, and 24-hour mode, where all days are programmed exactly the same and the levels repeat continuously each day. Your unit is defaulted to weekday weekend and comes pre-programmed with a set of operating times and temperatures that often suit most people. If you want to change the program mode, you can scroll to the power icon and press and hold the tick. The setup will be highlighted and press the tick once. Scroll to feature 12 and you can adjust the program mode accordingly. 0 for non-programmable, 1 for weekday weekend, 2 for 7-day programming, and 3 for 24-hour mode. As it is the default, we will now discuss changing any time and temperature settings in the weekday weekend setting. To adjust any of these, move across to Edit and press the tick. Here you can see that the program has been set up in 5-2 mode, which is weekdays and weekends. This means you can choose one set of programs for weekdays and another set for weekends. Pick the relevant set and you can then adjust 4 different times and temperatures. These are morning, when you would typically wake up, day, when you would normally leave the property, evening, for when you would return home, and night, for when you would go to bed. For each of these settings, you just press the tick and set the time, then the temperature using the up and down buttons. Then move to the next setting. When you have set all of these, move to Done and press the tick. You also have the facility to change the temperature during any of these settings. Just press the up and down button to set the temperature, and this will be maintained until the next programmed level, where your set program times and temperatures will return. Please remember, if the target temperature is lower than the actual temperature, your heating will not come on. But if it is higher than the actual temperature, then the heating will come on until it reaches this target temperature. You can also use the temperature hold function, where you can manually override the current programs and set a different temperature for a certain period. To do this, scroll left or right to hold and press the tick. Use up and down to set the hold period moving in 30-minute increments, then set the temperature. Your thermostat will show the time period remaining. To amend this or cancel it, just scroll to hold again and press tick. You can also set the holiday function, where the thermostat will reduce to frost protection for the period of time you state you're away. To set this, scroll to holiday and press tick. Then use the up and down buttons to set the year, month, date and time, then tick again. Your holiday mode will start immediately and will only return to your program times and temperatures after the date set. These are the main functions of your thermostat programmer, and for other features or more information, please refer to your user manual.